Assalamu alaikum viewers. I have Samsung washing machine. Its problem is water is not filling. Yeah. So let's see how to establish. At first we have to check this part. Yeah. This step water is falling or not. Yeah. We open and we have to check. Yeah. This water is falling or not. We have to check properly. Yeah. This is the first step, and second step, inside the water inlet motor, see there is filter, so we have to check properly filter is okay or not. And third step, this is the common reason. Problem is you just turn on your washing machine, then our meters has to set to the AC range. Yeah, then we have to see there is AC bolt or not. If there is AC bolt present and water is not dropping, water is not filling, so that means it's a confirm our water inlet bulb has been bad, so we have to replace it. So there is AC bolt present, so it's confirm our water inlet bulb, we have to change it. This is the new water inlet bulb. Yeah, so I'll change and video will be back. Okay dear viewers, I have changed, so let's see. At first we have to turn on the power button, then press the start button. Yeah, so it's a spinning washing. Yeah, so let's see. We have to wait for a sec, just for a moment. Yeah, alhamdulillah, so water is dropping. Yeah, water is falling inside, so alhamdulillah it has been successful. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah.